What's up, all you Art 2 students? This video is going to show you guys how to take those value scales that you just made and start applying them to a shape to start creating a form. Now, when I say a form, what I'm talking about is just a flat shape, and whenever you begin to apply value to it, it begins to take on the appearance of being three-dimensional, thus a form. So we're going to take some of those value scales that we just used, and we're going to create a square. We're just going to turn into a cube. We're going to create a sphere, and we're probably going to create like a cone or a cylinder, one of those two things. I expect to have at least three. Do not forget the shadows that are sitting on the piece of paper, or like you have a sphere or a cone, and don't forget the shadow that the sphere or cone casts. You can also look at images on the internet to get some ideas and some references on how to create these, but each one of these forms should carry two different colors that'll be taken from your value scales. I'm going to give you guys a quick demonstration on how to get this done, and I hope you like it and look forward to seeing your work. Okay, so I am looking at some forms on the internet, and I'm just doing a contour line drawing around the forms. And I'm going to go ahead and look at my value scale and figure out which value scale is going to apply to which form. And I'm also looking at the values of the forms on the internet. So I just looked at a sphere, a cube, and a cylinder. I'm going to go ahead and apply the lightest color first because it's the weakest. And weakest color definitely goes first. I'm going to zoom in a little because I just realized, oh yeah, you probably can't see. And I'm doing scumbling on this one. And I'm going to go ahead and add the red. And of course, I'm looking at a sphere on my computer screen, so I know where the values go. And of course, if you did your sphere worksheet, it's definitely helpful. This one's going to be red and purple. I'm doing cross-hatching on this one. Something I've discovered about doing cubes is that where you want the highlight to go, if you go around the edge like that, what I just did right there, it gives the appearance of the hard edge. I'm going to go ahead and add the shadows using the color purple and cross-hatching. You got to be gentle with that purple. Purple's a strong color. All right, time for the cylinder. I'm using green and orange. Here we are. And of course, I add my highlights first with the orange. Sharpen, sharpen, sharpen. And I'm using cross-hatching for this one. The more intense highlights, the harder I press with my pencil. And don't be afraid to add a lot of the weaker color, because you can take the stronger color and go right on top of it, and the weaker color will not have as great of an effect on the stronger color than the weaker color on the stronger color. As in, you can take stronger colors and put it over weaker colors, but you cannot take weaker colors and put it on top of stronger colors. So as I was looking at the cylinder online, I was also thinking about how I'm going to apply my shadows, and I left space for my shadows, my shades, the dark spots in the form. And now that I'm watching this, I forgot to add the shadows to the piece of paper. Don't forget to put your shadows. All right, so that's pretty much it. Ta-da!
Thanks for watching.